Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change keyboard size and transparency on Samsung device. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, go back to your home screen and then make a short swipe from the top and get into settings. Next, there scroll down until you find General Management and there tap on Samsung keyboard settings. There scroll down until you find Size and Transparency, and now you can drag up or drag down the keyboard to change its size. When you finish, you can just tap done, and now if you want to change the transparency, go into mode and there select floating keyboard, then go back to size and transparency, and now you are able to change transparency of your keyboard, and when you finished, just tap done. Make sure you liked this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.